Okay, here we are this week at Aussie Pumps. As you can see, the shop's busy. We're building a big run of drain cleaners here, Aussie Cobras. The team is trying to get these built because there's huge demands on us at the moment to get stuff out before the 30th of June as customers want to get their 100% depreciation allowance. You can see that we've got the stainless steel frame, big Honda BX 690 engine, 28 horsepower, and of course big Berty Bertolini pumps. As always, these big 3 XRA Aussie GMP pumps have got a front opening port so you can clean the pump out, big open cast iron impeller with a stainless steel option so you can pump solids, silicon carbide seal and a stainless steel wear plate included, and all of this is mounted on stainless steel mounting plates so you can slip onto any tanker or trailer, top quality, cast iron value, and of course self-priming from that great big tank built into the top. This is our defence area. Our extremely experienced and seasoned technicians are working here on prepping these pumps for the Royal Australian Navy. This is all part of the Arafura class patrol boat project. That's a beautiful 80-metre patrol boat designed by Lursen from Germany, being built by Tivmec in West Australia. These pumps are going through their final testing at our test rig to make sure everything goes through the way it should.